Linking your bank account to Bank of Alexandria in Switzerland is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a successful connection. Step 1. Gather required information. Before starting the linking process, collect all necessary information including your bank account details, identification documents, and any relevant forms provided by Bank of Alexandria. Step 2. Visit the bank's website. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Complete the online application. Fill out the online application form for linking your bank account. Ensure that all information is accurate and matches the details on your identification documents to avoid any delays. Step 4. Submit required documents. Upload any required documents as specified by the bank. This may include proof of identity, proof of address, and your existing bank account details. Make sure the documents are clear and legible. Step 5. Confirm and wait for approval. After submitting your application and document, you will receive a confirmation email. Wait for the bank to review your application and approve the linking process. This may take a few business days. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to access your linked bank account with Bank of Alexandria. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer service for assistance.